Hello, this is Ben Hecht with Christo IT Services. We are a managed services provider for IT based out of Harleysville in Pennsylvania, serving the Philadelphia market. And today, on our episode of Making It Work for You, our topic that we're going to be covering very briefly is VPN security for a remote workforce. Some of the points of discussion for today include VPN cybersecurity technical considerations, and then some recommendations to help mitigate the risk. As organizations use VPNs for telework, more vulnerabilities are being found and targeted by malicious cyber attackers. Hackers are always working on new ways to break into your organization. Whether it's through a phishing campaign or a brute force attack on your firewall, they'll keep looking until they find new vulnerabilities to exploit. As VPNs are 24/7, organizations are less likely to keep them updated with the latest security updates and patches. Now more than ever is a time to make sure that your IT personnel are buttoning up and double checking settings on your VPN solution. Malicious cyber actors may increase phishing email targets to teleworkers to steal their usernames and passwords. And if you'd like to learn more about some of the phishing campaigns out there, please reference our second video in this series on cybersecurity phishing campaigns. Organizations that do not use multi-factor authentication, otherwise known as MFA, for remote access are more susceptible to phishing attacks. Imagine losing your bank card. Sure, it's stressful that your card numbers are now in the loose, but no one will be able to access your bank account without your 4-digit ATM security PIN. This is a classic example of multi-factor authentication that we've all been using for years. Finally, make sure that you're not bottlenecking your remote accessibility plans. Organizations may have a limited number of VPN connections available, after which point no other employee can use them. With decreased availability, critical business operations may suffer, including IT security personnel's availability to perform cybersecurity tasks. Some of the ways that you can help mitigate the risk is you can have your IT resource update your VPNs, your network infrastructure devices, and devices being used to remote into work environments with the latest software patches and security configurations. Alert your employees to expect an increase in phishing attempts. Believe it or not, they will get targeted harder than they ever have before if they're all teleworking. Ensure IT security personnel are prepared to ramp up the following remote access cybersecurity tasks, including log reviews, attack detection, and incident response and recovery, often called SIEM, Security, Incident, and Event Management Reporting. Implement multi-factor authentication on all VPN connections to increase security. If multi-factor is not implemented or available, please require your teleworkers to use extremely strong passwords. You can ensure your IT security personnel test your VPN limitations to prepare for a mass usage, and if possible, implement modifications such as rate limiting to prioritize users that will require higher bandwidths. And always, if anything happens, please don't hesitate to contact the CISA to report incidents, phishing, malware, and other cybersecurity concerns. This is Ben Hecht from Christo IT Services with another episode of Making It Work for You, covering VPN security for a remote workforce. For questions and comments, please contact me immediately at the information on your screen.